If you are asked to design a simple carabiner, how would you go about making one? If you are like me, we would do some quick sketch on paper, open up my favorite CAD software, draw up the main body, the gate, and design a coil spring, and maybe put a pin through to assemble everything together. You show this to your boss, and you think you did a good job because you kept the number of parts to a minimum. Well, there's a better way. Let me show you this. This is a double carabiner that I bought for just $1. It's good quality, solid, and nicely anodized in red. And when I first saw this, I thought, wow, they did a really good job hiding the springs inside the metal body. So I decided to tear it down to find out how it was assembled. And this is what I found. I found no spring. Or in fact, this is the spring. So how does it work? One obvious fact is that the spring needs to be preloaded to fit into the metal body. And the key of the design is to have one leg above the other one. When we force the legs together, a pair of equal but opposite forces are applied on the legs. A force to the left is applied on the lower leg, and an equal force to the right is applied on the upper leg. And that results in a clockwise torque that keeps the gate closed when it is fitted into the body. And when the gate is open, the spring actually deforms from the natural shape even more. And that generates an even higher clockwise torque. And so, it wants to spring back even more. And that's how it works in theory. That's just one more practical detail that you need to know. The endpoint of the lower leg moves in an arc trajectory with respect to the endpoint of the other leg. So the distance between them changes depending on the position of the gate, but the distance between the two holes drilled on the body is fixed. The solution to this conflict is to make the holes ever so slightly bigger than the diameter of the wire. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you can apply this to your future designs, that will make me very, very happy. Please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you liked the video. And I will see you next time.